Right about now, we're heading out, and this is the way out of the hotel. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Right about now, I'm in Onne, in Port Harcourt. So you can see we're in Port Harcourt. Look at the market over there. There's a market over there. Market square over there. We just got down from the camp. So now we're heading towards the refinery.
Sorry, please. Excuse me.
So the refinery building. Security over here is top notch. It's very top notch. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Alitu Lava. Where are we now?
We are in Waterside.
Waterside. Which side of Waterside? Alitu seaside. You see fish. So what kind of fish? What kind of fish you catch in this place?
Okay, the particular fish is now is tilapia.
Tilapia. Let me show you guys the tilapia fish. This fish. See. Right about now, we're heading out, and this is the way out of the hotel. It's just like a small pathway that you need to just pass when you're going out. Like 2 years ago, on my back, like my backhand side here, there was a church. There was a church there, but I don't know what happened to the church. And we are heading out, and it's raining. It's quite raining heavily right now. I got to keep on going. I want to see what's going on at the port, and I want to see what's going on at the log room. And I can see there's a beautiful lady behind me. I don't know if you want to be on my camera. Hello. So what's the name of this road, please? Okay, good. Are you new here? Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Right about now, I'm in Onne, in Portharcourt, and initially I was at the town of Portharcourt, but the hotel bills were so much. I was paying like 50,000 per day, and I planned on spending like more time in Portharcourt to check all the old vicinities. So I can't cope with the payment. So I thought about alternatives, and the last time I was in Portharcourt, that was 2021. I lodged at this present hotel. This is Warri Stop Point in the heart of Onne. Onne is a place that is well known for its port operations. It's well known for its refineries, and there are like communities in between these facilities, like the LMA community, the Onne community, Akbajo communities, and the rest. So there are people living amidst of these great infrastructures that is in Port Harcourt, which is the refineries and also the ports. So going forward, I'll be taking you to the ports, seeing the sight and sound of the port in Onne, and I'll also take you on the refineries to see how the refineries is being worked, because the last time I saw that there was like a pause in the production of refining the PMS. So we want to like go to the community, go to the place, ask some people questions, the people that can talk on cameras, and ask them, okay, why and what, okay, what are the challenges they have there. So this is why I'm here in Onne, and this hotel is very cheap. Is you want to come to Onne, you want to come to go to Water Stop Point, and you see that the hotel is very, very, very affordable. Not much. There's AC, and there's TV. I watch the TV, and there's fan also. So in Lagos is like the home of hustle land. So if you are in Lagos, you can survive anywhere. So that's why I'm here. I can survive in Port Harcourt. I can take it up, and a lot of people have been liking me in Port Harcourt. A lot of people have been saying I look like some of their communities. As Port Harcourt is a real good one for me. I'm enjoying my time in Port Harcourt. See what's going on here, see what it has to offer, and I'm also here for hustling. Bring about business deals. Talk out of Lagos, talk out of Port Harcourt right about now. Have a quick needs of Port Harcourt. I'm gonna take you there because I'm gonna be at the right place and at the right time. Stick with me for exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, we are trying to head towards the hotel. So this is so cute. There you go. It's like the view from the hotel. I'm on the fourth floor. Hello. Right about now, you can see the hotel. This is the hotel right now I'm staying. So there's something going up. There's something going up at the poolside there. So I want you guys to see it. It's very. That's one thing like about this place. Even if it's very extreme points, or there's something they created at the backyard. You can hear the sound. To face as the artist. Let go. You can see it. He's going. 6 feet over the ground. So this is like the. Hello, bro. Hey, wait up. My nigga, these are Port Harcourt boys. You see them chilling. They're chilling. What about that? They're chilling. They're chilling. That's it. So. Let's go to the ball. Poolside. So you can get this side. Wow.
Give me the give me your back on it. Say, oh yeah, no, say, back, together, 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 together. What's that there? Where's that? I say, what they want, I'm not VIP. But it's nice, see. Lucky, step, I see. We are set for party. I got the money pass me your papa.
Park. Then we might trade the human trade at Trailer Park. Then we will up to the refinery junction to see. It's actually very busy because this is where most of the consignment goes in and will come out in Onne. If you are coming to Onne and you want to eat a good food, it's Kilimanjaro. Look at it. The place to get the good food in Kilimanjaro. Yeah. This market square. Yes. And over there. Over there now, this is the Portharcourt Park. Over there. That's the port over there. On a port. We're still going to do that, but right now we are heading towards Trailer Park so that we can observe the Jumat prayer, and also we are heading towards the refinery junction to see what are the things they are doing there. You see, look at the trucks. All these trucks are going out and coming in of Onne. So where we are, let's focus on the road. So you can see we're in Port Harcourt. Look at the market over there. There's a market over there. Market squares over there. Yes. Currently there are a lot of roads upgrading in Onne. A lot of road upgrading in Onne. So that's why before you can come here, you have to like made up your mind, because you might face traffic. You Last time I was coming, there were a lot of traffic here and there. So, it's a very good place, quiet. We're having a family over there, police stations. The crude oil here in Port Harcourt City, very close to trailer park in Onne. So where we are heading towards the refinery. So you can see the road and link to the famous refineries. It's one of the refineries that is refining our crude oil here in Port Harcourt City. Unfortunately, today is Friday. At the heart of the refinery and the port station. That woman prayer. So stick with me for exciting news, exciting journey. So the refinery, Portharcourt refinery here, very good on air, very good to Apache, very good to Apache.
guziri na neman ilimi babban guzirin shine hakuri. Wasu rubatu ustazin kuma kamar yadda malami ya zanto abokinka kullum kana tare da shi kana lisimtar malaminka wa tuli zamanin sannan kuma dole ba sai an dauki tsawon lokaci kafin a samu ilimi. Ilimi ba a samun sakakan lokaci, dole sai ka bashi dogon lokaci kafin ka samu ilimi. Kar ka ce yau kana zo ka fara neman ilimi kuma kana so yau ka fanto mai ilimi, ba zai taɓa yiwuwa ba. Malamin naka ba rana ya zama malami ba. Bari ma in yi baka labarin wahalar da ya sha kafin ya samu ilimin da yake karantar da kai, za ka sha mamaki kai wala Allah ma a yanzu ba za ka iya wannan gwagwarmayin ba. Ladabi na uku wanda yake sa mutum ya samu ilimi al'amalu bil ilmi mutum yayi aiki da ilimi qala sufyan al-thawri yake cewa al-ilmu ya'tifu bil amali ilimi ya'tifu bil amali kullun shi ilimi ana
akwai buƙatar gudunmawa saboda wannan aiki da ya taso mana na shirye-shiryen idi zuwa ga 'yan uwa mu taimaka fi sabilillah. Idan ba akwai mai buƙatar account number ne ga ciyaman na filin idi za a iya bashi saboda mu samu gudunmawa. Sannan kuma ana tunatar da aikin da za a tafi gobe da jibi da Allah waɗanda suke da abun hawa.
Sorry, please. Excuse me.
Over there, look at the refinery over there. No, I don't talk to you. So the refinery building. The security over here is top notch. It's very top notch. Police, soldiers, everybody's here. Look at the refinery over here. Let's see. NFPC. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Alitu Lawa. Just want to take you guys to see something is going on here. View, man. Extreme end of Port Harcourt. It's called Alitu. Friendly area. You can see it. Walking through the paths inside the bush. Paths. You can see the tracks. Something very, very beautiful about Port Harcourt is that it's green. You can see the grass are very green. You can see this place I'm going to today is called Okrika. You can see the birds upon the sky. I don't know if you can see it. Birds are flying. See. Ladies and gentlemen, we just passed from the refinery. We could not video much because there are a lot of police, soldiers at the checkpoint. I don't know what they are hiding in Port Harcourt refineries, but yeah, I'm free to record. I'm trying to show you the bed. I don't know if you can see it. Birds flying up in the sky. Oh, just put eyes on the road. This is Aleto. See, in the heart of PH City, jungle. There you go. Ayo. skin. Cow skin.
Very bad place.
Which one? Okay.
Very bad place.
But you don't come out now? Eh? Yes, you don't go now. Hello. How are you? What's your name? Because you like Fabio. That's it. Where are we now? Where are we now?
We are in Waterside.
Waterside. Which side of Waterside are we? What's the name of this community? You don't know this community?
I don't know.
It's just Waterside that you see. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you. So we are in Waterside. Oh, there's a small river here. You can see the small river. We're going straight down ahead of the jungle. People are coming in, selling foods, selling drinks. Good afternoon, madam. So we are here. See this? I think they are burning something. An awful smell somewhere. You can see that's the river over there. Hello. That's the river over there. You see the river. Port Harcourt is surrounded by water. You can see, like water, a lot of water thing going on over there. You see. See, that's where we are. Kanda Company, a little seaside. You can see they're at the end of somewhere now. Wow, so Portharcourt City. There. So this is the man, this is a fisherman. Say the kind of fish they catch in this river is like tilapia and all kind of fish. So what kind of fish you catch in this place?
Okay, the particular fish is now, the particular fish now is tilapia.
Tilapia. Let me show you guys the tilapia fish. See this fish there. See, look at the tilapia fish. Fresh one. Portharcourt best. See? So we are here now. We are in the water. Oh wow. The fish is still alive. Oh. You can hear the vibration. You can see. They're still moving. They're still moving. There's water there. It's fresh tilapia fish. See? Moving. So let's try to get his net. He's going by the riverside. He knows his skills. His kind of skills. He's driving. have to wait. Look at the second one here. He's trying to throw his old gallon to nets in the river. You can see there's always a fish somewhere lurking around the river. See? You have to wait. Second one is about to pull his nets. You can see he's pulling his nets. He's pulling the nets. The skills. You have to be a skillful man. He's coming in gently. He's pushing them gently. It's a traditional way of catching fish on the riverside, while this other man is about to throw his old nets to the river. I think he's watching. Okay, wow. This guy caught some fish. This guy's caught some fish. It's going to be a big one. It's going to be a big one. Wow, big fish. Fresh from the sea. Fresh from the sea. Some big one. Look at that big fish. Look at that big fish. Tilapia fish at the moment. This other man is about to throw his own nest. He's about to throw his own nest. See? Oh, I got that. Did I get any? See? Meanwhile, there's still a fish going somewhere here. Fish rocking in. Tilapia. So beautiful to see. Like you just throw the net and you catch a fish. That's how wonderful God is. You don't even know the kind of fish you can catch. You just need to throw the net. Look at the fish here. Look at the fish there. Just caught some beautiful fish coming out. This one is about to throw his nets. It's about to throw his nets. You can see. Did you see that? Have you seen it? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with one of the elements finest, and this man you see so now, strong man, oh, Portharcourt origin. Baba, wait to be your name.
My name is Onne.
So I won't ask you one question. Say people they talk say talent no day for this place, Joe. Say the talent will day here. If like say don't run to away, I won't make you follow them word, make you word them.
Honestly, what you talk now truth, because you see men then just when you talk truth just be as something maybe I say we they get from this our leaders and we see today. Now because of too much truth, now me toilet truth, no day for shop again if you look and so. Then when you come talk about this our leaders and when we talk like this one, you look from small one with this small, we say that will be leaders of tomorrow to today till you don't get grey hair finish. Now those people still roll us today.
Wow.
Understand me? So me, I don't want my picking go university again because to go institution a problem. People wait for institution never get work finished. Then wait my picking, which how much my picking? Okay, for that, I define Nigeria when Nigeria did. Because Nigeria don't lose.
But I want to tell something to you. Before you, I won't make your picking go school because your picking might be the next future president. You don't see Wiki.
No, when talking about us, talk about Wiki. You know, yeah, when Wiki be governor, Wiki say, when the Assam, when journalists come, say, please, Mr. Project, what do you have for the poor of the River State? But in the letter, and be say, as the project of the political government, what about the so all those things, and I'm waiting to say, we don't carry deceive element people, then the element people, now they don't say they are right, but I got my own right. I put them from my pocket.
That's so. Waiting there for element, Papa. Waiting there, element. See element, Portharcourt, Portharcourt. Waiting there, element.
Yes, so that way talk now truth. Element alarm where God don't bless true. But just be saying now vampires then wait there inside the element, no Islamic empires then see where because one of our brothers